guys, today on the Average Garage, we've got my mate Jimmy's Colorado in here and we're about to give it a poor man's lift kit. So let's see if it works, let's see what it does, how to install it, and let's see if it's any good. Alright, so we've just removed the shock and we've undone these hanger bolts. So now we're going to remove the hangers completely and then raise the car up off the diff. Alright, so we've just used the bottle jack on the inner side of the leaf spring. The wheel of the vehicle is on the floor, and we've used the bottle jack to lift the leaf spring off the diff. Obviously the car's on the hoist as well, just for safe measure, and then plonked the diff block in there.
I could show you how, I could show you how to fight them. I could show you how to defeat
Right, ladies and gentlemen, so I didn't film a whole lot of it, but as you can see, it's now lifted 2-inch. We put the coil spacers in the front, or the strut spacers, and we put the blocks in the rear. So it is a cheap lift kit. It's not the ideal lift kit, but it's good enough for a budget, and if you want to get that little bit more ground clearance. So yeah, cheers for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more, hit the bell button, all the usual jazz. See you in the next video. Cheers, guys.